we are up and at 'em. Let's see what the day holds. Ooh, the beautiful Ocean Key. Good morning, MSC, and this is day 2, the MSC Group Cruise. We are live here at Ocean Key. The boat has been docked, about to get out to go see what the day holds. Let's go. Good morning. Okay, so made it off the ship this morning. And I think I'm going to go to the closest beach first. Excuse me. I'm going to go to the closest beach first. Just to jump in the water, and then going to go to the furthest beach close to the group picture time. So let's go. And hopefully, I forgot to pack my sunglasses, sunshades. So I'm hoping I don't regret this decision. I hope the visor, but I just did not. This ship is so big. I just did not feel like, after going to lunch, breakfast, I did not feel like going back to my room to find them dang on sunglasses. So we're gonna have to make do. All right, over to the first beach, and the seascape is behind me. So I'm excited about this beach here. I did not make it the last time I was over here. So I'm excited to kind of sit and explore. Gotta find out the name of this one. This is the line for lunch. So I highly advise you to find a beach shack. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bit of a wait. Alrighty, so it's here on South Beach all day. Nice, shallow, for the most part, water. And I'm now about to grab a snack here at one of the beach shacks. So let's see how that is. After lunch, it was time to meet up for the group picture as well as some TikTok shoots.
Sure you are.
Wardrobe malfunction.
You ain't dancing too?
I don't know this one. So these are all the cousins. After the TikTok and pictures, it was time for the evening activities, and I met up with some vloggers in the lounge. Here's a quick look at Kaito Sushi en route to dinner, and here were the 2 menu items that I had during my dinner this evening in the main dining room. It looks like a hearty portion. I don't necessarily need the cheese on there, but I think it's really solid. These were exceptional for free mussels. The Melanin group closed out the evening with karaoke, and we had a few hit singers.
Make some noise, Latinos! Oh, everybody else. This is.
Yeah!
There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present.
Come on!
Underneath the Christmas tree, I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Yeah!
All I want for Christmas is
Woohoo! Come on!
you.
Everybody jump in here. Lobbies in the air. Lobbies in the air. Ah!
find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do.
What are you doing for?
Do it for you. There's nothing left to hide. Take me as I am. Take my life. I'll give it all. I will sacrifice. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it. There's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do,
Let her know.
I do it for you. Oh yeah. There's no love like your love, and no one.
Me diste tú, me marchito, me marchó hoy, yo sé verte. Ay, cómo me duele, ay, cómo me duele.
The night ended with a few activities in the atrium. Thank you to the channel members. This is COSC. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in part 3.